Hi everybody, welcome back to On This Tape. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'll be guiding you on how you can add photos to Tinder. So it's very easy and simple. In order to add photos on Tinder, what you're gonna do is go ahead and open up Tinder application. Now the user face will appear somewhat like this. So what you're gonna do is simply tap on that pencil icon which is near to your profile picture. Now here you will be able to see all the pictures that you have uploaded to your Tinder account or your Tinder profile. So in order to add pictures, you can see the plus icon on the photos options. So just go ahead and tap on that plus icon. Now here you can upload picture. So here I'll just select upload photo. Now once you tap on it, it will directly take you to your gallery. Now go ahead and select any picture of your choice. Select it and add it to your profile. Once it's done, go ahead and tap on done and you are good to go. So this is how easily you can add photos to Tinder. I hope this video is helpful for you. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.